time for a blowout. I really enjoy doing my hair. Like, it is just so relaxing to me. It's kind of like my me time. So let's get right into my whole blowout routine. I'm gonna share with you guys all the products that I used in the shower and also what I'm gonna use now to prep my hair. And afterwards, I am gonna do a couple different steps. Today I'm gonna be doing a blowout and then something else to my hair, so stay tuned. Okay, so the products that I used in the shower were these two right here. This is from Wella. This is the Ultimate Repair line. I use the shampoo and the conditioner. And I'm gonna use these two products also from the same line, not sponsored. This is the Ultimate Repair leave-in conditioner and also the Miracle Hair Rescue. So this is step 3, this is step 4. I'm gonna use this one first. I'm just gonna spray this all over my hair. What I like about this product is that you can add a really good amount and it won't feel heavy on your hair. Now this one, the next one, the leave-in conditioner, does feel a little tiny bit heavier, so I only add a little bit of this. So I'll add maybe about 4 pumps. It's very liquidy, as you can see. And I know a lot of you guys are gonna ask me about my lip combo. This is a different lip combo that I'm using right now. This is the new Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. I got this on TikTok Shop. This is in the shade Wherever Walnut. It brings the pencil and then this gloss. I really like it. It's super cute. Okay, let's move on to parting the hair. So what I like to do is actually start with the bangs. I'll divide that first, get that out of the way. I use this Ergo brush to detangle my hair, clip that, and then I'll divide my hair right in the middle all the way down. And what I like to do is do 2 sections at the crown of my head. So one right here, and as you can see, I use my finger to kind of twist my hair down and then clip it. I'll do the same right here on this side. Detangle. Again, use my finger to twist down and clip. Now I do about 3 larger sections on each side, but with this big section, I'm gonna divide it right in the middle again. So 2 in 1. Detangle and twist in. The way that you section your hair is very important, and it might take a little bit of time to do this, but it's gonna make the whole process a lot easier and quicker. This big section I divide into 2, and I'm just gonna clip and leave this one out because that's the first section we're gonna do. We'll do the same on this side. So divide the hair, detangle, and then split right in the middle. Twist and clip. Let's move on to drying the hair. For my blowout, I am going to be using the Drybar Buttercup. This is actually my first time using this blow dryer, but I went to Drybar to get a blowout a couple years ago and they used this blow dryer on me, and let me tell you, that was like one of the best blowouts of my entire life. It was so nice. So I want to try it out and see how it works. And I'm going to be using this round brush. This is from Olivia Garden. This is the size extra large, 55. I really like this brush. I've used this so much. I don't know if you guys can see. I gotta clean it, but yeah, it's really nice. I will be linking it down below if you guys want to check it out. Before I turn on the blow dryer, I do want to show you guys what I like to do and how I like to blow out my hair. So I take the brush and I make sure that I bring it down and kind of like pull it a little bit. Once you feel like your hair is like straight, as you guys can see, if you leave it like this, it's gonna dry more with a wave. But if you pull it like that, you can see it's like straight. So it's going to dry more straight. So I'll dry the roots, make sure that I'm really like pulling on the brush, not like too hard, but you know. And then once I dry the roots, I'll take the brush and put it under my hair and do the same thing. So dry the roots and then bring the hair tool down with the brush. Very slowly, you can take your time with it. Sometimes I'm a little bit fast and I want to do like a quick blowout, but I realize that then I don't get a super smooth blowout. So just take your time with it. Once you practice, you will get the hang of it. So let's do that first and then we'll continue with the same section. Wow, this blow dryer gets so hot. I actually love it. I really like to feel that heat, you know, like my hair needs a little bit of extra heat, and I don't know, I just really like that whenever I'm drying my hair. It just gives me a quicker dry. It makes my hair more smooth. It just looks better in my opinion when I use like a little bit of extra heat. I do have very thick curly hair, so my hair can kind of handle it. So if you want something that's a little bit less hot, I mean, it has different heat settings, so you can just bring it down if you want, but I do really like the higher heat setting, and I really like this nozzle too. It's like pretty thin, it's not too wide, it's giving me a very concentrated dry. So yeah, so far loving it. For the mid ends, I like to do something different. So I'll take the brush, I'll take it from the top like this. As you can see, the size of the section is about half of the size of the brush. This brush is very big, so I definitely don't want to take a huge section. Like, I don't want to take a section that is about the size of the brush, then it would be just too big and it would just take even longer to dry, honestly. So I like to take a section that is about kind of like half, and I place it right in the middle. I bring down the brush like this horizontally, and then the ends I like to flip like this. So I use my fingers to bring up the brush, bring it down. You see? Bring it down. Use your fingers to bring it back up. And just do that a couple times. After you practice this movement, you'll get the hang of it. So let's do that, and then we'll continue with the next step. Okay, so wow, love this blow dryer. It's giving me so much shine, and I haven't even finished this section. Like, already I really like how this looks. As you can see, just doing that movement on the bottom really gave me a little bit of a flip. But if you wanted to do a little bit of a curl, then you can do this instead, or you can do this after the step that we just did. So take the brush now vertically, bring it behind your hair. You're gonna wanna hold the brush like this. Bring down the brush, flip as you go, and then take the brush, bring it under and over like this. Dry it again, and do it one more time. Dry it again, and then just bring it down, and it'll give you such a nice curl. So let's do that, and then we'll move on to the next sections. Look at that beautiful curl with a blow dryer. Like, what? And look how shiny my hair looks so far. I mean, these products, I'm telling you, like, this video is not sponsored. These products are amazing. Like this right here, amazing. I'll link it down below. But these two together, I mean, my hair already, it feels so soft. I have so much shine. I'm gonna use some other products later after I dry my hair, so stay tuned. But anyways, I'm gonna do all my hair now, and I'll be back with the next step. So again, I'm just doing the same thing to the rest of my hair. So I like to dry the roots first, make sure that it is completely dry and smooth. Sometimes the roots are the trickiest to get smooth, because it is just like super hard to reach. But I really like using a round brush and a nozzle just to really get in there. So I like to pull my hair and dry the roots super well with the nozzle and really get in there, get that nice and smooth. Then I'll continue to the middle, make sure that that is completely dry until I move on to the ends. For the ends, I like to twist the brush, give it some movement, and then twist it vertically, bring it down, and get that blowout curl. All right, guys, my hair is completely dry now. I love this blow dryer. I'm definitely gonna be using it again. Really like the roots, looks super smooth. Let's move on to the next step. I'm actually gonna add a little tiny bit of oil to my hair. This is from Tresemme. It's a bonding oil. I'm gonna add about 2 drops, about that much. Ooh, wow, this smells very different. Whoa, this is very, very thick. 1 drop would have been more than enough. It's too thick, so I'm gonna take a little tiny bit off. So I think that's better. Feels very, very thick. Smells very nice. It almost smells like a perfume that is kind of like a strong going out perfume. It definitely smells good though. But I mean, just for a blowout, not bad at all. Yeah, definitely try the technique that I just did. It really does work. I'm gonna do some curls with this curling iron from GHD. This is the GHD Curve. It's a 1.25-inch barrel. Just want to do a little bit of a curl, you know, just to really make this blowout look super nice. Gonna clip this curl, set it for a little bit. And I could even take bigger sections just to get a more natural looking curl, a looser curl. So that's what I'm gonna do. You see, that's a pretty big section. But that's what I want because I don't want like a super tight curl. I want it to still look like a voluminous blowout. It's been so long since I used a curling iron, so I kind of wanted to do something different today. Okay, I'm gonna clip that right away. I'm gonna do this huge section in the back. As you can see, it's huge. But I just want a little bit of a curl. If you want tighter curls, just take a smaller section. Love that. Anyways, I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I let these set for about 30 minutes, so let's start taking them off. My hair is so soft right now. All right, last one. Gonna use a comb just to brush everything out. If you want a little bit more volume, you can use this Rising Star from Amika. Just lift the hair and spray. Now I'm gonna add a little tiny bit of this sparkling soda from Drybar. This is a shine mist. It's gonna give you more shine. It smells really good. All right guys, this is the final look. I have some volume, which I really like, so much shine, and I have some volume right here, my bangs at the root, but at the same time the roots are pretty nice and straight, so I have no waves on my roots. If you want to check out any of these products and tools, I will be linking them down below in the description box, and I will tag everything right here through YouTube shopping. But yeah guys, if this video was helpful, definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be posting more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.